And it lights up.
Michelle got one.
Yeah.
So good about it. It's okay, I'm happy Michelle got one.
How neat. Daddy, could you open this up?
I will. What did you say when you opened it up, Savannah? What did you say? When you first opened it, what did you say?
I always wanted this, and I said, Mommy, look what I got.
Oh, yeah. What is it? Tell me what it is.
It's Magic Mermaid Barbie.
Oh, I'll open it for you right now.
Okay.
The flowers.
It looks like it's a little bit little.
She's doing the dance.
Now Emma's going to do the dance for her. There.
No, we don't have AAA batteries.
We do.
We have AAA. We have double.
Honey, it's okay. We can wait till we get home.
Well, it'd be fun for her to have
Let me see. I don't know if I
Emma, do the dance for us.
like a while away the hours. Consulting with the flowers. Consulting with the rain. You gonna dance? Huh?
She's so pretty. Look at her.
Oh,
Your face.
oh, oh, oh.
Told you I wanted that.
Like a while away the hours.
Yeah.
Consulting with the flowers.
This is the mother.
Thoughts I'd be thinking I could be another Lincoln if
I
I
only had a brain.
Here. This will take care of at least one of them.
The noise.
The other choice. Tell her what. This one? It needs something for the shell too.
Yeah, I think.
It takes 4 of these? It should
The next one's over.
No, it takes 2 and 3.
I need a Phillips.
Hi.
Phillips.
Oh,
Hi.
the shell requires 3 of them.
This Amanda's
The doll
first
is only 2.
Christmas. Isn't that fun?
Emma's got a shipping tag on her. Look at that.
Here. Wait.
Mandy.
Polly from the birdie.
Mandy.
The bird, like the bird Polly.
Oh, Emma, let me see what you got. What is it, honey?
Baby.
Is that your new baby? Oh, it's so cute and it's so smiley and happy.
Yeah, you must be a good mommy. You want to put her bib on?
Yeah.
Does he
Put them in
cry?
your bag.
No.
Pick them up, put them in your bag.
There you go, Della.
Will you take me home with you and give me a blanket to sleep with?
But I can't go home.
At the end of the day. Just at the end of the day. Are you my new mama?
Let me see it. I didn't really get a good look at this. I just took it in the box and
I'm so happy. Give me a hug. Oh, I love you too.
Let me ask Della's house.
I like to eat at Grandma's house.
Can I have a,
You
can
can
I have
put me in the
a
baby
toy
seat
now?
and I'll be a very good girl.
Can I have a present now?
I like it best when you hold me.
to be patient. So that Emma's enjoying her present.
Okay. This is to Cindy and Paul.
Can I